Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to text a new number on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and tap the chat icon, then choose to add a new contact or enter the number directly. Make sure you include the correct country code, save the contact with a name, and refresh your chat list if needed. Finally, send a short hello message to start the conversation and confirm delivery. Open your browser and type WA.me followed by the full phone number including country code without symbols. Tap the resulting link and choose WhatsApp to jump straight into a chat without saving the contact. This method is quick for one-off messages, business outreach, or temporary contacts. Remember to double-check the number before sending and consider saving frequent contacts to avoid repeating these steps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more quick tech tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which doubles as a helpful assistant for reading messages aloud and setting reminders while you multitask. It's a small convenience that ties nicely into staying connected on WhatsApp hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Review privacy settings before messaging new numbers so you control last seen, profile photo, and status visibility. If you get spam or unwanted messages, use block and report features to stay safe. Avoid sharing sensitive personal details until the contact is verified, and consider using disappearing messages for temporary exchanges. These simple steps keep conversations secure while you build trust with new WhatsApp contacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.